Hey guys, it's Keke and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I will be doing a nail haul for you guys. So let's get started. Alright, so I picked up the LA Colors press on nails artificial nail tips in the color Magical. Sorry for the glare. And they are in the color Magical. I purchased 2 of those. So I purchased 2 of those. I also purchased the LA Colors artificial nails in the color Foliage. Very pretty purple color. I love these nails. Purple is my favorite color. And I'm sorry for the glare. And they are in the color Foliage. Color Classy Chevron. And they all were $1. And I purchased these from my local Family Dollar store. This is Classic Chevron. The next, so these are the House of Holland nails by Elegant Touch, and they are in the style Dolly Rocks. Very pretty ombre pink color. And last but not least, I purchased these nails from Five and Below, and they are by the Pretty Woman, the brand Pretty Woman, and these are the faux nails. 24 nails in a pack with glue included, and they are just the pink glitter nails. And I'm sorry for this angle. They are the ballerina coffin nails, I'm assuming. They're just pretty, so I bought those. So you guys, that completes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.